Hey guys, I came here today to pop in to show you quickly what my strawberries look like that I purchased from Walmart the other day. This is what it is. Okay, picture looks great. I'm like 10 bare root strawberries, $3. I'm gonna do this. This is what it looks like. I've never grown bare root strawberries before, but I know that it is not supposed to look like this. This one clump, and it's all mushy. I'm like, I mean, like I said, I've never grown them before, but I know it's not supposed to look like this. So unfortunately, this is gonna have to go back. And I know somebody's thinking, $3, that's not much. But you know what? It's $3 I'm not giving to Walmart, and it's $3 I'm not wasting. So I'm gonna get my money back for that. But here are strawberries that I have from last year that I have in the stackable containers that everybody was getting from the Dollar Tree. Like, so I put my strawberries in here and they look really good. I'm like, I have to check them because I had them, I learned from watching a video, I believe it was Angela's Busy Bee, when she was saying that you need to check to make sure their crowns are not buried too deeply. So I've been going around and looking at each of my plants to see if I need to pull some dirt away from them. Like this one, like I can't, I think it's exposed enough. But yeah, I wanted to plant some more strawberries today. That was my plan, that I was gonna put them in this garden box here, just tuck them into the open areas and grow some stuff like that. But as you guys have seen, these strawberries look like garbage and it's not going to be planted. So that kind of sucks because I really wanted to get that done today. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and update you on what my strawberry situation is here. All right, guys, it looks like a beautiful day. I think I'll get out and try and get a little something done in the yard. I don't know what, but something. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.